Everybody thinks nuclear engineering is reactors, but there's a lot more that comes into it. It's like every single science merged together. Reactor physics, radiation detection, health physics, thermohydraulics.
This is really any science that has to do with subatomic particles, so anything really smaller than the atoms that make up matter.
There's so many endless possibilities, especially with fusion and things like that. The world is pretty much endless for whatever students want to be doing.
There's a lot of misconceptions about nuclear power. It's very safe.
Stigmas are definitely that we're all gonna turn green, which don't worry, it's not gonna happen.
With the technology that we have, we're able to ensure a very high level of safety.
It's so efficient, so cost effective, and there's little waste.
There has to be a power source for AI that is clean and is able to produce all the power needed. I think nuclear might be the only option.
That efficiency, I don't know, it just gets me excited.
I've been able to learn many niche topics, things that will benefit the world as a whole.
I think the one thing that makes me so excited is another type of therapy for cancer treatment that could be like the future where we're only actually hitting the cancer cells.
The recent hurricane victims that had lost power, you could deploy a small modular reactor in that area to supply them power.
I would really like to work on things like radiation shielding or even detection in space. I think that'd be really cool, especially because there's a lot out there that we don't know. I think one of my favorite moments was seeing that nuclear reactor power on for the first time, seeing the blue glow. Pretty crazy. The blue glow happens because the electrons are moving faster than the speed of light in the water. There's always a faint glow in there when it's turned on. When it gets pulsed though, that's when they eject the control rod. So they basically crank the power all the way up.
3, 2, 1.
You don't really know what you're missing until you see it. It's really cool.
It was something that I had to go home and tell my friends about.
So